best way to learn English is through conversation.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student. No, I'm not a student.
Is today Monday? Is today Monday?
Yes, today is Monday. Yes, today is Monday.
Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother. Yes, I have a brother.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am tired.
Is it sunny? Is it sunny?
Yes, it is sunny. Yes, it is sunny.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream. Yes, I like ice cream.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet. Yes, I have a pet.
Do you live in a big city? Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I live in a big city. Yes, I live in a big city.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy.
Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. Yes, I like pizza.
Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside. Yes, it is cold outside.
Are you at home now? Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home now. Yes, I am at home now.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. Yes, I like reading books.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Yes, I play sports. Yes, I play sports.
Is summer your favorite season? Is summer your favorite season?
Yes, summer is my favorite season. Yes, summer is my favorite season.
Do you watch TV in the evening? Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening. Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Is your friend coming to the party? Is your friend coming to the party?
Yes, my friend is coming to the party. Yes, my friend is coming to the party.
Is your school far from your house? Is your school far from your house?
Yes, my school is far from my house. Yes, my school is far from my house.
Is it hot in your country in summer? Is it hot in your country in summer?
Yes, it is hot in my country in summer. Yes, it is hot in my country in summer.
Is it getting dark outside? Is it getting dark outside?
Yes, it is getting dark outside. Yes, it is getting dark outside.
Do you play the guitar? Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't play the guitar. No, I don't play the guitar.
Do you go to bed early? Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed early. Yes, I go to bed early.
Did you meet any friends yesterday? Did you meet any friends yesterday?
No, I didn't meet any friends yesterday. No, I didn't meet any friends yesterday.